Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Draxall. Draxall is the fastest growing community or neighborhood in Jamaica. Thousands of homes are being built in this small area. Draxall is actually between Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay on the north coast. We are actually on the northern coastal highway, and we are about 5 minutes from Ocho Rios and about 2 minutes from St. Anne's Bay. If we continue going straight, we'll go into St. Anne's Bay in about 2 minutes. And if we were going in the opposite direction, we would reach Ocho Rios in about 5 minutes. So St. Anne's Bay is the capital of St. Anne, but Ocho Rios is the most developed town in St. Anne. So between those two, I guess, very busy areas, you have Draxall, which is started off as a residential community, but it has grown and it's still growing. You have hundreds, if not thousands, of homes being built. And because you have such a large residential population, you have a lot of supermarkets being built. You have a new KFC, a new Starbucks, a new Pizza Hut. A lot of the infrastructure that goes along with supporting a residential community. Okay, so on the left is a gated community, and if we were to go right, they have a lot more gated communities in that area. This is just the main road, but on the left and on the right are thousands of homes. Alright, so we're just going to take a look at some of the commercial buildings that are going up. So on the right now is where you have the new KFC, the new Pizza Hut, the new Starbucks. Everything over there is new. You have the CPJ Market, you have Sakura, a restaurant. And on the left, if we turn left here, we would go up into the hills where they're building the homes, or some of the homes. And if we turn right, they're also building homes down there. And this section of the highway has gotten so busy that they're going to expand it from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And they're actually going to put it more of a traditional highway. It will look more like the like Mandela Highway or one of those roads. But it's not going to be a toll road. Okay, so there you have the CPJ Market that just recently opened, and straight ahead now is a Starbucks, and this Starbucks is actually the only Starbucks in Jamaica with a drive-through. And a lot more development is going on, because straight ahead, although you can't drive, there almost every lot has some sort of construction going on. There is a Sakura restaurant on the left. this is a new plaza that was recently built. On the left is the Knutsford Express, the depot, or I should say their transportation center. You can see a lot of stores in this plaza. Hi guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.